Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, and this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. Here you can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got it. So the tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. We just got back, which means it worked. Moreover, I just wanted to show you that if you want to remove the visited websites one by one, you can enter the three dots icon again and tap on the history. Obviously, I've just cleared my data. However, here you will have the list of visited websites, and you will be able to simply remove them by tapping on the X button, which appears next to them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.